po, ako po si Erica Laude. Very grateful, tsaka very thankful na I became part of this Little Arc Foundation. You said art nga. My message ko po sa kanila is keep fighting. Sure, maraming blessings po na dadating po sa inyong lahat. So, ayan, I will pray for all of you and keep fighting. Love, Ate Erica.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa Little Arc Foundation for taking care of the kids, and grabe talagang ramdam na ramdam ko po yung pagka-warm-hearted ng mga kids dito sa Little Arc Foundation. Ayun lang po, I wish na stay safe and good health lagi. Ayun po.
Hello everybody, this is Cassie Lavarias. I would like to say thank you sa Little Arc Foundation for inviting us here. We really had fun. Sana po maulit. We will pray for these kids to get better po. And we're really, really proud of them for fighting and being little warriors. Thank you po.
Hi guys, this is Sean Rex. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang event for Little Arc Foundation, from Little Arc Foundation para sa mga bata. Sana tumagal pa ang Little Arc Foundation sa lahat ng mga bata. You guys are strong. I know you are. Dito kami. Kami lahat. Jimmy Network. Be with you sa journey na dadaan. Just be strong and be happy always.
Hello, Little Arcs! Kaya mga angels kayo, grabe, maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa akin, and sobrang happy ng puso ko na ma-meet kayong lahat, and gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na laban lang tayo. Alam kong hindi madali yung pinagdadaanan yung lahat, kasi yun nga, as I've said earlier, ranas ko din yan dahil yung tatay ko is nagpa-fight siya ng cancer, so alam ko kung gaano kahirap yan, pero kapit lang tayo, fighting, and huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Always pray to the Lord. Ibigay nyo lang lahat kay Lord, and siya na bahala. So yun, I hope to see you soon again, and yeah, fighting!
Hello to all the kids of National Children's Hospital, and of course, sa mga kids natin sa Little Arc Foundation. This is Ate Shuvi Etrata. I just want to say, keep on fighting. You got this, and I know you guys are so strong. I hope mapapasaya ko pa kayo. Laban lang! You got this, guys. You're strong, diba? I love you. Mwah.